Hi guys, we're gonna replace Sony VPC-EH3AEN battery. So we are going to replace the new battery. You can see the process, and this one is the original battery. Just how to replace the battery, just you can check. First you have to just shut down your laptop. You can see the Sony laptop, and this was a Sony laptop. Yeah, this one is a battery, so we are going to replace this battery Sony. Yeah, you can see a model number also, Sony PCG-71811W. This is the model number for the laptop. You can check the battery replacement.
And release here.
Yeah,
Pull outside.
just it's a very simple. It's a very simple, and you can go with the battery part number and all the details. I can show you for you especially. It's a original Sony battery. You can see the VGP-BPS26 4000 mAh battery W440H, and you can see the part number also. So you can see the complete part number and the battery pins. Yeah, this was a new box pack, Sony battery BPS26, and we are going to replace the new battery. Okay, this one is a new battery with battery box, so we are going to replace this battery. Just you can watch carefully. There is a notches, so you just insert the notches. Yeah, correct. Flip the battery and lock it. Yeah, that's fine. And you just check it. Yeah, we are going to check the battery, how it's going to work. I mean charging. So you just check. It says Sony laptop E series. Yeah, it's loading Windows. Yeah, it's booting up. Yes, now you can see plugged in charging.
Okay.
So you can see the charging. Yeah, it's plugged in charging. So the battery replacement was completed successfully. Thank you watching for the video.